And welcome to my channel. So today let's solve another problem from accounts from incomplete records. Problem number 4 from Pankaj publication. Let's solve the problem. See the problem number 4. A trader has not kept proper books of account. The following balances are placed before you and you are requested to prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2016. He is asking us to prepare the statement of profit and the statement of affairs as at the date, and also is asking us to prepare the statement of affairs at the last date. So here opening balances are given, closing balances are given, assets and liabilities are given. So we need to prepare the statement of affairs in order to find out the capital at the end and capital at the beginning. So here I have prepared the statement of affairs as on 1/4/2005. So opening balances are given in cash in hand 5350, stock in trade 59,350, sundry debtor 30,200, bills receivable 42,400, land and building 53,000, furniture and fitting 4600, and liabilities are given bank overdraft 45,000, sundry creditor 38,600, bills payable 62,000. When you add all the assets, you will get 1,94,900. From this 1,94,900, deduct 45,000, deduct 38,600, and deduct 62,000. You will get balancing figure 49,300 as capital. So this balancing figure, this difference amount is the capital. So now we find out the capital at the beginning. In the same way, you have to prepare the statement of affairs at the end of the date and find out capital at the end of the year. Here statement of affairs as on 31st March 2016. All the assets are given, liabilities are given, cash in hand 5400, stock in trade 32,200, 62,200, sundry debtor 29,800, bills receivable 40,800, land and building 53,000, furniture and fitting 4600, and liabilities are given bank overdraft 40,000, sundry creditor 37,200, bills payable 58,000. When you add all the assets, you will get 1,95,800. From this, deduct 40,000, deduct sundry creditor 37,200, and deduct 58,000 bills payable. You will get the balancing figure as 60,600. Now we got the capital at the beginning and capital at the end. Now we can prepare the statement of profit. We have prepared the statement of affairs at the opening and end from this information. Opening balances, we got the opening capital as 49,300. With the closing balances, we got the capital as 60,600. Now we can prepare the statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st 2016. First we need to take capital at the end of the year. Capital at the end of the year we already solved. Here we got 60,600. To that add the drawings. Add drawings which is given in the question here. Drawings during the year 6,000 is given. So add this drawing 6,000. You will get 66,600. Further capital is not given in the question, so you can skip that. From the deduct capital at the beginning of the year. Capital at the beginning of year we found out here, that is 49,300. When we deduct this, we will get 17,300. So this is the profit before adjustments. So in the problem, adjustments are given, so we have to calculate the adjustments. First adjustment is depreciation on land and building. So we have to provide depreciation on land and building at the rate 2%. So when we are doing this adjustment, always take the closing balances. Here land and building is 53,000. On 53,000, 2% you will get 1,060. And depreciation on furniture and fitting 10%. So furniture and fitting is 4,600. 4,600 into 10%, 460. And provision on doubtful debts 2/2 means 2.5 we have to take. So doubtful sundry debtors are 29,800. 29,800 into 2.5 divided by 100, you will get 745. When we add all three this amount, you will get 2,265. From this profit 17,300 you have to deduct this 2,265. You will get 15,035 rupees as net profit. So we got the net profit 15,035. In the problem, he also asks us to prepare the statement of affairs at the end of the year. So we have to prepare the statement of affairs at the end of the year. So you can ask, ma'am, we already prepared here, no? So we have prepared there to find out the capital. Here we are preparing at the end of the year. In the problem, he also asks us to prepare the statement of affairs at the end of the year. Earlier also we have prepared the statement of affairs at the end of the year, that we have prepared only to find out the capital. So statement of affairs, all the closing balances you have to take: cash in hand 5,400, stock in trade 62,200, bills receivable 40,800, land and building is 53,000. From that deduct the depreciation. Depreciation is 1,060. We already calculated in the statement of profit. When we deduct this, you will get 51,940. Sundry debtor is 29,800. From this deduct provision 2.5%, which already we calculated in statement of profit 745. When we deduct, we got 29,055. Furniture is 4600. On that you have to calculate the depreciation 10%. We already calculated in statement of profit 460. You will get 4,140. Come to the liability side. Bank overdraft is given as it is. You have to write 40,000. Sundry creditors 37,200. Bills payable 58,000. Capital, always you have to take the capital at the beginning. So capital at the beginning was 49,300. From this you have to deduct the drawings which is given in the question 6,000. You will get 43,300. To that add the net profit which we got in the statement of profit, that is 15,035 rupees. You will get 58,335. When we add all this, we are getting the balance as 1,93,535 on both the sides. So this is the end of this problem. Hope you like it.